Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. I will be sharing with you all my trade from this morning, and it was a really successful trade. I like how smooth it went, barely any drawdown, so that's what I like about this timing, right? And also these indicators are good to help you eliminate the guessing game. I know that not everyone is at the level of ICT, and although I do use his concepts, right, to trade with, I combine it with these indicators. Now these indicators provide me with, I guess, the best entry point for what works out for me. Yes, they could be better entries. There's traders that could enter right here where that blue circle is at. There's traders that can enter at the very top. But I've tried it in the long term. It wasn't working out for me. So I decided to add these indicators as a safety layer, I want to say, to prevent any unnecessary losses. Because if I have something that can assist me with rules, with being disciplined, then with a sequencing logic, then I could ask myself these questions before I even execute a trade. So by having some sort of document in front of me with the steps, and just like ICT, he has, and he mentioned he has like a notepad, and you know, you're molding yourself to create good habits when it comes to trading. And I feel if I continue doing this more often, by having this document in front of me with every step I need to take before I execute a trade, and by having these indicators, even though they do lag, has assisted me with my trading. So the toolkit that I have that assists me with this strategy is the 50 and the 200 EMA, the VWAP, the volume profile, and the CCI indicator, and the new week opening gaps. So I like to use the new week opening gaps as levels where price delivers to, because it's always going to be a magnet. And then you go into, I have a bearish playbook and also a bullish playbook. So all of the indicators have to agree with each other. The macro trend filter will be always the 200 EMA, and then the intermediate confirmation will be the 50 EMA. The volume confirmation will be the VWAP, and then the structure check will be the volume profile. And then the last thing would be, I have two more things, will be the new week opening gaps and the CCI indicator. So all of that has to agree, has to make sense, has to make logic in order for an entry to happen. And just like it did here, I had a beautiful trade inside the 1050 1110 macro. Price also traded below the 50 and 200 EMA, just like right here. Let me change the color of that circle to something better, and there we go. We'll do that. Okay, so that pink circle, you can see all those lines crossing with each other. That was my signal saying, okay, this is the time to enter. And what I like about it too, if we actually look at this pattern, or this formation of this pattern, it looks like a market maker sell model, which I believe it is, market maker sell model. Usually once you enter in the second stage is where price tends to be quicker, faster to deliver to the target. And that's what I like. I like to be in a trade and get out immediately. So this trade alone took about a good 15 minutes, and I was done for the day. I traded it with 1 micro, and also I'm putting together a reversal. So if I see price trading along the VWAP before 9:30, I'll have a different trading approach. But if price is away, if the bands are really wide open, then I have a different trading approach when it comes to that. That's whenever I will be trading reversals. That strategy there is the reversal strategy is still in the testing phase as well. So this will be my third day trading like this with these indicators, and so far they all have been profitable days, and I like it. This will be my third day. So I will be documenting everything, uploading these videos and showing you guys. Today I did record a video of the execution and I may add it at the end of this video so you can take a look at it. But I mean, since I'm in the office, I have employees that come in and come out. There were a few interruptions and I couldn't really capture a really high quality video with my voice and everything and so on, but I still will add it at the end. Sorry about that, I have to clear my throat. But yeah, I'm still going to add it to the end of this video, so definitely check out the execution. Not the best, but it's part of journaling, and I'm going to use this YouTube channel to journal and also show you guys that this strategy does work. And if you're struggling with timing and things like that, I believe that this system will help you out a lot. If you're an ICT trader, I believe this will help you out. And I know ICT is against indicators, but I believe that this is a good system, a good strategy. But anyways, see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.